What's up, plant lovers? Devin is here, and today I want to give you guys a quick tip on how we can help our young shrubs get established a little bit more quickly. Something that we can do in the autumn time or in the springtime that is really going to help amplify the health of our shrubs. Now, most of us know the benefits of using mulches, whether it's bark mulches, wood chips, pine needles, leaf mold. They help really conserve moisture in our plants' roots. They help to kind of blanket out weeds, and they're also going to keep our shrubs cool in the summertime, but warm in the wintertime. But there's actually one extra step that we can take when our plants are quite young that's going to help them establish even faster. And what is that? It's actually using cardboard. What I like to do is at the base of my plants, I'm going to put a layer of cardboard just around the drip line. So the drip line is essentially where the leaves actually extend out to. So just one thin layer of cardboard. And then on top of this, we're going to add our favorite mulch. In my case, I love to use my homemade leaf mold. It's really easy to do, highly nutritious. If you're interested in learning how to make your own at your home, just check that link right there. So we're then going to lay this nice layer of mulch just on top . Now, what that cardboard is actually going to do, it's going to keep any weeds from growing along the base of our shrubs. When our plants are young, baby plants, and there's weeds that are growing around the base of it, oftentimes those weeds will outcompete the shrub for available nutrients, available water or root space. So by putting that layer of cardboard, we're eliminating the opportunity for weeds to grow around this base. It's much more effective than simply doing that mulch. Yes, the mulch helps, but the cardboard takes it one extra step. Then over years, that cardboard will gradually break down over 5 or 10 years. So you can really just do it once and not have to worry about it again. Of course, each spring and fall, we can reassess our mulch situation to see if we need to add an extra layer of mulch, because of course, mulches do break down much more quickly, but that's much easier to do. And by doing that cardboard when our plants are young, we're really propelling the opportunity for our shrubs to establish much more quickly, reaching their maturity and gracing us with their beauty in the landscape. And you can go ahead and leave just a couple inches around that main stem. That's going to allow any precipitation that falls to absolutely enter into the root system of your plant. So you don't have to worry, your plant's not going to dry out because it's being blocked by the cardboard. And if you do find that there's any tape on your cardboard, I wouldn't worry about trying to remove it. It's going to be way too difficult. The tape's not going to go anywhere. The cardboard's not going anywhere. The tape's not going to go anywhere. It's going to be right in your yard. So don't worry about the tape entering into the ecosystem. I know this looks like a little bit puffy, but these leaves will continue to degrade a little bit more, and they'll become much thinner by the end of winter, of course. If you do have any further questions or comments, make sure to leave them below. I always do my absolute best to answer each and every one of them. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me here on Plant Vibrations. I hope you found this video short, quick, helpful, to the point. I'll catch you soon. Ciao.